Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Well, if you're new here, then let me introduce myself. This is Kazim Hassan and I am doing my Master's in School of Computing in Queen's University, Canada. So, the reason behind making this video is to share one of my experience with a specific tool in my research journey. So, in this video, I'm going to talk about a specific tool that helped me to level up my research journey during my master's. So the name of the tool is Zotero. So many of you guys may heard about the software or tool and may use that extensively in your research. So what's this tool about is that this is a free. First of all, that's a free tool that you can use, and this will help you to read the papers in a sorted way. You can easily annotate the papers. You can create small notes. You can highlight them and you can easily revisit them whenever you need. So that's a great tool. Yeah, that's a great tool to sort all of your papers in a specific collection and revisit them whenever you need. And uh, based on my personal experience, when I was not aware of this specific tool that is Zotero, I used to download all the papers that I that may use for my research in a specific folder on my desktop. But that often create some problems, like I cannot find the specific paper that I want to use in my paper in my writing. So this is why I faced a lot of problem during my earlier days. But after using Zotero, I solved that problem pretty much. I used specific collections of this software, and by using that, I can easily manage all my papers, and I can easily import the BibTeX to create the references of in a specific project or paper. So let's quickly go through the software and how you can use that. And well, that's pretty much. So let's go into the main part. So we are now in our Google Chrome browser, and once you type the term Zotero, it will show you the main web page of that. And if you go in the web page, then you can see that it says your personal research assistant, which is really true. And well, this is a free tool. You can easily download for any available platform. It's available for Mac, Windows, Linux, and iOS too. So as you can see that, well, like once you download and install that software, you can see that this is the main interface of the software, and it will give you a lot of functionalities to read your papers. And you can also use the Google Chrome plugin that will help you to import the papers directly from your web browser. So I will show that in a separate video uh, in future. And let's go in the Zotero software and see how I annotate the papers for my research. So right now I'm in my Zotero, in my Zotero website, software, and this is the one paper uh, that I loaded, and you can see that you can easily just highlight them by selecting that and create highlights, and it will automatically add the highlights here. And also you can add some comments here, uh, or you can change the colors, and you can simply add few comments or any other remarks that you feel like to add. And it also adds a lot of information regarding the paper, like what type of article it is, the title, the authors, and quick abstract, the where it was published, the volume number, the pages, etc. So it will help you to create small notes for your future uses, and you can easily store them in a separate collections. So I will show you guys a full walkthrough of the Zotero in my later videos. So that's a quick introduction about the Zotero, and this is a really, really good software to use for your research, and it will help you to level up your research game significantly. So that's all for today's video. I hope it will help you to get familiar with Zotero, and let's meet soon. Till then, have a great day and goodbye.